When it comes to skin aging, here are the causes and some tips to not go from this to this. So, why do we age? Well, it is true that time passes by for everyone. Aging begins at mid-20s according to our genetic heritage. This is called genetic and chronological aging, and unfortunately, up to now, there is not much we can do about it. Signs of aging are also promoted by other factors. The good news is that we can do something about them. Did you ever think about your sleeping position? In the long run, squeezing and squashing your face on the pillow will take its toll. The same goes for repetitive facial expressions that lead to deep wrinkles. Gravity will cause in time skin sagging. Our skin is also strongly controlled by hormones. Drastic changes in hormones as during menopause lead to aging. Don't overlook smoking. Smoke contains toxins that lead to dry and dull skin with wrinkles. But the worst of all is sun damage. 80% of skin aging is due to sun exposure. UVA and UVB penetrate the skin, creating free radicals, breaking down collagen, and even damaging DNA. This results in wrinkles, dark spots, rough skin, loose skin, visible blood vessels, and in the worst case, skin cancer. Some good behaviors will help us control these aging causes if we want to delay the process. Most importantly, always protect skin from the sun using sunscreen with sun protection factor above 30, water resistant and with broad spectrum, with ingredients that protect you from both UVA and UVB. This also includes no indoor tanning, that also radiates harmful UVs. Apply hydrators and moisturizers. With aging, skin becomes drier. Wash away dirt twice a day with warm water and a mild cleanser. Stop smoking. Seriously. Eat healthy and drink enough water. Drink less alcohol. Alcohol dehydrates skin. Rest well and possibly on your back. Limit the number of skincare products. Using too many may cause irritation, highlighting signs of aging. Be patient. Give cosmetics at least 6 weeks to work and prove their efficacy. Work out improves circulation and overall skin appearance. Exfoliate gently once a week to bring younger cells to surface, but don't overdo it. Be aware of facial expressions. Try to avoid squinting, but do not stop smiling, laughing, and having fun. Don't buy anti-age products in jars. State-of-the-art precious ingredients will not stay stable and they'll lose their effect. Look for something in airless dispensers. In anti-aging cosmetics, look first of all for something hydrating and moisturizing and with ingredients for sun protection. Target your concerns. Wrinkles, dark spots, loose skin or others need to be treated differently. Choose products suitable to your skin type. And avoid disappointment by buying products that promise it all. Keep realistic expectations. Cosmetics are not miracles. Learn to read labels and ingredients. Here are some good ingredients for skin aging and the names they'll have on labels. The vitamins. Vitamin A is one of the few ingredients that has been scientifically proved to work against wrinkles. However, it might irritate skin, so starting at low concentrations is highly advised. Vitamin C and E are super powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. Vitamin B is useful to treat dark spots and is used as skin lighting agent. All vitamins are antioxidants, boost collagen production, and improve skin texture. Alpha and beta hydroxy acids help exfoliate, promoting skin cells turnover and rejuvenation. Green and white tea are not only strong antioxidants but also soothing anti-inflammatory ingredients, as well as curcuminoids. Resveratrol can be found in grapes, nuts and red wine and has protective and antioxidant effect. For sources, check the info box. This video does not replace the opinion of a dermatologist or other professional. Thanks for watching!